My name is Suraj Morajkar. I am the owner of Sun Estate Developers. In the business for last 15 years. The Sol is in operation for last 3 years. We were on the hot list of the Condé Nast 2011. We are the only developers in the country who has experimented a fashion designer to develop a boutique hotel, and we have been very successful. Every guest who comes into this property feels coming home, feels that this is something that has been in last 150 years. They always question me whether this was an existing house. Sol has been something that everybody wants to come here and enjoy for, and I'm happy that they are feeling like that, because our idea is to get more and more people in Goa, more and more people who enjoys this kind of atmosphere. Like a luxury, we want to create a platform for every end user to come and enjoy the little bits of Goa in an environment friendly. I am very proud that as a Goan, I have managed to get the old charm back, the prosperity. I feel that people should come here, enjoy good music, sound of glasses, you know, how Goa used to be for many centuries. And that's the platform I've created, and I feel every Indian or every international traveler should experiment this place. We have been developing environment-friendly homes to the deserving clientele. We have got architects from all over the world who has been instrumental in developing this side of the state, who has the values of aesthetics. Our main focus is to build homes which remain for posterity, which remains more of that every buyer wants to have as a home, and more important, like a house. Our idea is to create homes with a lot of energy, and we make sure that we build less so that we can have a more of land around our properties. And we normally develop our properties in villages where you can get the real state, the feel of the state. So our buyers are our own brand ambassadors. They are the one who sell our homes. They are the one who actually feel that we are the people who deserve the right kind of owners. And our idea is to make sure that we create homes which the state is proud of.